Exploring the Outback of English. Understanding Walkabout. Hello, language adventurers, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a linguistic journey to explore a fascinating phrase from the English language, walkabout. This term is packed with cultural significance and has an interesting usage in modern English. So, let's unravel the mysteries behind this expression and see how you can use it in your daily conversations. Before we dive into the meaning, it's crucial to understand where walkabout comes from. The term is borrowed from Australian Aboriginal culture, where it refers to a rite of passage during which Indigenous males undergo a journey during adolescence. This journey lasts for a period as long as 6 months and involves living in the wilderness to connect with the land and ancestral traditions. In contemporary English, however, the term has taken on a broader meaning. Let's explore this in the next section. In today's use, walkabout can refer to 1. Taking a short journey or trip, usually on foot, without a fixed route or destination. It suggests a sense of freedom and spontaneity. 2. Walking around to meet people, especially used when someone of importance visits various areas to interact informally with others, like a politician or a member of royalty. 3. An absence from work or duties without explanation or a sudden departure. This usage is often meant to be humorous or light-hearted. The phrase can also imply a search for spiritual or personal self-understanding. This is more in line with its original cultural roots. Now that we know what walkabout means, let's look at how to incorporate it into our language. After working for 10 years without a break, he went on a walkabout to find his life's purpose. The manager is on a walkabout around the office to get to know the new interns. I might take a walkabout through the city this weekend to discover some new bookshops. Remember, walkabout is typically used in more informal contexts and is not common in formal writing. I hope this linguistic stroll has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase walkabout. It's a beautiful example of how language evolves and adapts, borrowing from different cultures and times. So, the next time you decide to take an impromptu trip or explore your surroundings, you might just be going on your very own walkabout. Until our next language adventure, keep exploring and learning.